Welcome. Today we'll understand one of the biggest ideas in AI right now, Retrieval-Augmented Generation or RAG. In simple words, RAG gives your AI a memory it can search. By the end, you'll know exactly how it works step by step. An LLM on its own has limits. Its knowledge is frozen at training time. It can't see your private files, and worst of all, it sounds confident even when wrong. That's hallucination. With RAG, fresh info, your own documents, and answers with sources you can check. RAG comes from a 2020 paper by Lewis and team. The idea is simple. Combine searching for information with generating text. Find the right info first, then feed it to the AI right before it answers. Search plus generate equals grounded answers. RAG has two pipelines. The ingestion pipeline runs offline. Load documents, split into chunks, turn into embeddings, store in a vector database. The query pipeline runs in real time. Embed the question, search, re-rank, build the prompt, answer. LangChain, OpenAI, and Pinecone help build these. Three key parts. 1. Chunking, splitting documents into small overlapping pieces. 2. Embedding models, turning text into vectors that capture meaning. 3. Vector databases, storing and searching those vectors fast. We'll go through each slowly. A 50-page document as one block is too vague to match. Split it into focused chunks, and when someone asks what's the refund policy, the system instantly finds the chunk about refunds. Like index cards in a library, one topic per card. Pick a size, say 500 characters, and cut the text. The trick is overlap. Each new chunk repeats approximately 50 characters from the previous one. Why? A sentence might get cut in half at the boundary. Overlap keeps the meaning at the edges. Recursive splits by paragraphs, then sentences, then words. Most popular. Semantic groups by meaning. A new topic starts a new chunk. Document aware splits by headers. Best for FAQs and contracts. 4 choices. OpenAI small, cheap, great for most. OpenAI large, more accurate, costs more. Cohere, many languages. BGM 3, open source and free. Beginners, just start with a small OpenAI model. It's enough for 90% of projects. ChromaDB, best for learning, runs on your laptop. Pinecone, best for production, billions of vectors. Weaviate, best for hybrid search. pgvector, best if you already use Postgres. Choose by your stage and scale. 4 steps. Chunk, embed, store, search. Chunk it, embed it, search it, done. Now let's see them work together on a real question. 3 stages when a user asks. Retrieve, search and pull top chunks. Augment, inject them into the prompt. Generate, the AI answers from that real data. Remember, retrieve, augment, generate. Embed the question, search the DB for similar chunks. Each gets a score. Refund chunk 0.95, great. Shipping chunk 0.31, thrown out. Like a librarian who checks the catalog and opens to the exact right pages. The first search is fast but rough. A bi-encoder, like reading book titles. A reranker, cross-encoder, reads the question and each doc together, like reading the first page. The warranty result jumps up. Weak ones get dropped. Only the best 3 go to the AI. Much more accurate. Prepare the AI's cheat sheet from 3 ingredients. System instructions, the retrieve chunks with source labels, and the user's question. Staple them into one prompt. Like an open book exam, photocopy the best pages, write the question on top. 4 rules. Restrict to context only, include source metadata, add a fallback, say I don't know, specify the output format. Small instructions, big difference. The AI reads instructions plus context plus question and writes a grounded answer. Without RAG, it guesses 14 days. Confident but wrong. With RAG, it says 30 days and cites the page. Same AI, now correct and verifiable. User asks to retrieve, finds docs, augment, builds the prompt, generate, writes the cited answer. Under 400 milliseconds, a fraction of a cent. Fast, cheap, grounded. RAG, knowledge in external docs, swap anytime, cheap, cited. Fine-tuning, baked into weights, needs retraining, good for style. Best practice, use both. RAG for facts, fine-tuning for behavior. Enterprise chatbots, customer support AI, code assistants, and domain experts in law/medicine/finance. Stack, LangChain, Pinecone, OpenAI, RAGAS. And that's RAG. You now understand the whole picture. Thanks for watching.